we're back. Hey, I got the Gator at the base of the trail again with the saw in the back. I got the little utility trailer so I can haul my crap. And we're at the base of the hill right now, guys. I want to see if I can make it to the gravel pit today. I'm hoping there's some like open water so we can do some donuts, maybe a couple jumps. I don't know. Let's carry on up this mountain. Hopefully it's not as slick as last time. Phone, Gator, drone. The drone seems to be working because it's lighter out. So not having such a hard time. We got another hour or two before it gets too dark. Let's go cut some trail. Or at least get up the hill. Almost to the tree was down. Good news is, in first gear, the Gator crawls pretty good. It's up steady. It's straight. Okay. I'm gonna bust out the saw, do some sawing. Moving on, carrying on. I stuck a pin or a stick inside the pin. Hopefully the trailer doesn't come off this time. All is well with the ship, Captain. All ahead, slow. Let's go. Tree number 2. My wife's name's Brenda. My little girl's name is Autumn. And the other boys is Tony and Skylar. They've been in the videos before. I don't know if I properly introduced them, but hey, shout out to them. They're the ones who support me and all this stuff, guys. So without them, there would be no channel. And I probably would have given up 40 videos ago. So, man, look at the view. Cheers from Canada, guys. Happy New Year. I'm not much of a chainsaw guy, but we're kind of making it work, so. All ahead. Up. That was Don't tell anybody about that, it's embarrassing. Let's hop off the Gator real quick. For sure we're gonna rip the drone around here. But like, can I go whip some donuts on the ice over here? Because that would be sick. Let's go whip some donuts on the ice. Do you think it'll support me? Even if I go in, it's gonna, oh, look at the hole. Yeah, if you go in, it's gonna suck. And we're not very frozen, bro. Oh no, oh no, no, it's rotten. Damn it. Oh, oh, geez. Oh, Jesus. Okay. Yeah. Fail. Should have came here yesterday or the day before. It would have been harder. Let's go check over in the far corner. We should send the drone up while I'm here. Oh, it's rotten over there too. See the big hole? I don't know if you guys can see it from here. You guys hear that? That was a rock slide behind me a second ago. It was up there. I just heard it. I was like, what the hell's that noise? There's nobody else here. Yeah, I guess that snow's cracking and breaking rocks up there. That's cool. Startled me a little bit. We're not going to get much longer, guys, before it gets dark. But we do have a trail back now. And the Gator's running stronger than she ever was. Look at this. This is what I wanted to... Okay. Note to editor. The guy who's editing this. Check this out. We come back when it gets below 0 again. This would be awesome to skate on. So, hell yeah. Tell my wife, hey Brenda, one day maybe. There's a Gator. Hell yeah, Gator. Pulled that trailer the whole way. Honestly, I'm gonna put airbags, air shocks on this so we can adjust the height up and down in one of the next videos coming up. I'm trying to buy the air shocks now, preferably used, because I don't even know if it's gonna work. And we're gonna replace all the shocks with Monroe motorcycle air shocks. So look for that in the next couple videos, hopefully. And the brakes. Okay, let's get the drone out while I rip around a little bit. Okay, so the JB weld on the bottom of my GoPro mount is broken. So it's gonna be like a wobbly shot for the next, we're gonna get some wobbly shots for the next little while to get going home here. I wanna ride around a little bit just because I wanna explore, but then we gotta head home because we got maybe half an hour till it's fucking dark. And when I mean dark, I mean it's gonna be black and I won't be able to see nothing out here. So quick little ride around, let's go, okay? I don't have money to buy anything. We're in like second or third, I don't even know. Oh, GoPro's a cool thing. Walking up the hill with a GoPro that keeps dying. The battery's really light. Maybe they let the toboggan. Hey. We're on my third and last battery. head home before dark. Did you guys enjoy the nice view? What have I figured out? Well, my battery bank that charges the battery is kind of shit, or it's not charged all the way. The drone needs to be charged every time it's not plugged in, or get more batteries. Let's hope this thing makes it home without falling off again. Okay, sticks on through the thing and stuff. We gotta head home. It's gonna be dark. And we're on it. And there, do that. That's what you should do. Solid on camera again. If this is the last video before the battery dies, thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate the shit out of you guys watching. And I'll catch you in the next one. Come on, we gotta go home. My GoPro's just flopping in the wind. We made it though. Okay, back on. Still going. It's okay though. I smell something burning. Probably trying to run a power steering though, so I'm supposed to. Next time I come, chop that back a little bit. Get away. Don't go over that. Hope I got that on camera. Don't need some shit. What do you think I should work on next? Let me know. I'm kind of like just fixing stuff for fun. Cheers, guys. Happy New Year. Soft flopped over. It's okay though. We're home.